feelings and emotions, which is always more exciting, and I always end up feeling more. So yeah, I was waiting to work with Vishal again because he gives me the utmost creative freedom when I work. He just lets you do whatever you want to do. He'll just correct you if he feels it's wrong. But I enjoy working with him because, like I said earlier, I get to deal with conflicted feelings and emotions, which is always more exciting, and I always end up feeling more utilized, creatively. Or I think we work very well together. I understand him very well, and he understands me very well. And I think we have a shared history, and we've shared some really one of the most intense times of my life during Maqbool with him, and he'll always be part of that. And he's seen me going through that whole journey, and which is it's very dear to me. And I wanted to, have that sort of experience once again. So it was fantastic to work with him. I mean, मुझे कुछ change as a person तो नजर नहीं आया because, with me he's the same.
मेरे सबसे ज़्यादा गाने आज तक जितने मैंने बनाए हो तब्बू के ऊपर पिक्चराइज हुए हैं. Actually. Because we entered with matches. So.
Hi, you here again. My questions is for Siddharth. Basically, your association with Vishal ji for Kameene was definitely a success. So was there that the instigation for you to come out and, kind of associate with him again, and, you thought that this will be again turn out to be as hugely popular and successful film as Kameene was?
More than the success of Kameene, it was the experience of doing Kameene together. And just the incredible talent that Vishal has is something that, you as a producer would always want to keep working with again and again. So, of course, the fact that Kameene was successful was great, and we all enjoyed that. But we've always been discussing ever since, and even before Kameene, we did a film, we sort of did a film together called The Blue Umbrella, which was again a film that we're very, very proud of. And we had been discussing since Kameene the chance to work together again. And when Vishal spoke about Haider and said that Shahid was also interested in doing the film, the fact that the three of us would be coming together once again was obviously a huge factor. But what was the primary factor was the fact that it was such a wonderful script, and it's something you just could not wait to get into.
Shahid? Hello, Vishal sir and Siddharth sir. Hi. Okay, kudos to the entire team. I think the trailer looks fantastic. This is Priya from Screen Magazine. So Vishal sir, for you, the music, the soundtrack sounds hard-hitting. What can the music lovers expect from the music of this film? And Siddharth, how are you planning to promote the music online or in the digital space as well?
We have 10 songs in the film. 10 गाने हैं और एल्बम में 10 गाने हैं. फिल्म में भी 10 मिलेंगे आपको, पर वो अलग अलग तरीके से मिलेंगे. कुछ बैकग्राउंड में मिलेंगे, कुछ लिपसिंग पे मिलेंगे. और इसमें कश्मीर का फ्लेवर मिलेगा गानों में, जैसे आपने सुना है हार्ड रॉक भी मिलेगा. तो पर फिल्म को फॉलो करता हुआ ही म्यूजिक फिल्म से अलग नहीं है.
शाहिद,
Sorry, the plans to promote the music will unfold as we go along. As we discuss, we will have a music launch event where, Shraddha and Tabu will be the stars of the evening, but of course we'll have other singers there as well.
कपड़े बनाने पड़ेंगे अच्छे से.
But no, it will unfold as we go along because we have quite a spectacular soundtrack. So there'll be a plan for each song.
Shahid, you haven't charged anything for this film, so उसका क्या reason है? And secondly, ऐसी भी खबरें थी कि आप ये film co-produce करने वाले हो.
Well, I think when me and Vishal sir met, to begin with, I'd like to say that this is a very unique subject. I wouldn't honestly like to compare it to either Kameene or Omkara or Maqbool for that matter. I think the film is very different. He's made such fantastic films that one tends to take names of these films, but it's a very unique subject, and when we kind of, thank you, when I heard it with Vishal sir, we felt like we wanted to be as true to the film as we could, and we didn't want the pressure of either his remuneration or mine to curb us in going out there and making the film that we felt that it needed to be made in. And therefore we wanted to take that pressure off the film and be able to spend all the money that we could on the film, because of which we took that decision. And I feel it was the right decision now that I look back, because when I see the promo of the film, I feel like we were able to do everything that we wanted to do. We've not left any stone unturned in giving the film what it needs to be given, whether that's UTV as producers or Vishal sir as a director or the entire team. What was the second part of your question? I'm sorry?
No, nothing. So
Itna
you
tha?
can move, yeah.
Okay.